Gagawa ako ng gulaman. So, mayroon tayong cornstarch. Ayan. And then we have gelatin. That is normal gelatin. White. We have two sachet of gelatin. And then we have condensed milk. 1 can. And then we have evaporada milk. We have 2 can. So this one. 1 condensed. And then we have coffee. Kasi lalagyan natin siya ng coffee. So ito yung ingredients natin sa paggagawa natin ng gelatin. Kasi mainit po ang panahon. So we have cornstarch and 2 gelatin and 1 condensed and 2 evap and then 1 coffee. Actually yung coffee guys, hindi natin to uubusin. Tsansya lang natin siya hanggang mag-dark siya. Tapos we have already 2 liter of water. So this one and this. So after I will mix this everything guys because pepper is cooking already. So we need to wait maybe 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I will start to cook this, okay? So just keep in touch guys. Thank you so much. Hi.
Also very funny.
Hello.
Far away from them. You know, they were like, their hands were
Yan sa ate.
Ano yun? Para saan yan?
Wala. Naka-live yan. Nag-video lang ako.
Naka-live yan?
Hindi oh. Nag-video lang ako.
Di ba yan live?
Ay, nantok pa ako eh.
Ay, Sosh! Huwag ka na magpapugi. Pugi ka na.
Ay, nantok pa ako.
So,
Ay, ako'y nantok pa rin ako.
antak ko siya guys.
Uy!
Laki ng aso guys. So, pakatakay. Ano, hindi ka natulog kagabi? Anong gawa mong kagabi?
Nakachuti ako na. Yung alas stress madaling araw.
Hindi matulog ka.
Ano, umaga lang.
O kaya nga, di ba, ang tulog ko is morning and then night. You're not sleeping at night. You're sleeping is day. And guys. Hi guys, good morning. This is Mariam Vlogs 143. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification na rin guys. Monkey!
Hello guys.
And this is my boyfriend.
Boyfriend, lintik ka? Kalokohan mo
Please
rin
subscribe Mariam Vlogs 143 guys and hit the notification na rin. Sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe. And thank you sa mga silent viewers. Thank you so much. Hi ko naman dyan.
Hello.